Hiya, Mick here with another video on the compass. This time we're looking at taking a compass bearing. So in the previous video we introduced some of the parts. We had the base plate that it all sits on. We had the compass housing, which in this video we're going to be rotating so we can take a compass bearing. We also have the compass needle, which is the piece that points to north. But in this video we're introducing the direction of travel arrow, which is the direction we need to go once we've taken our bearing. We also have the orienting arrow, which is inside the compass housing, so as we turn the housing it turns with it. And to go along with that, we have the orienting lines, which are parallel to the orienting arrow. Now, we're starting from here, and this is the place I want to go to. So I'm going to have a look where that is before I take the bearing, so I can check against it to make sure I have it all correct. So first thing I do is lay the compass down along that line, joining up the place I'm starting and the place I want to go to, making sure that the direction of travel arrow is going in the same direction. Next thing then, holding the base plate, rotate the compass housing until that orienting arrow, the one in the middle of the compass housing, is pointing the same way as the north on the map, making sure the orienting lines are parallel with any lines running north side on the map. So then I just pick it up and I'm ready to go. So holding the compass out in front of me, so I'm going to rotate my body around until the compass needle and that orienting arrow, the one in the middle of the compass housing, are both pointing the same direction. So I look at it along the direction of travel arrow, and it should be pointing in the same direction as my estimate from earlier. So I'm going to give it another go. This time I'm starting from here, and I want to go to this place. So again I'm going to estimate, have a look up, and see where I think that might be. So again we're going to put the edge of the compass down, lining up the place I want to go with where I am now, making sure that the direction of travel of arrow is going in the direction I want to go. I'm going to turn the compass housing around until the orienting arrow is pointing the same direction as the north on the map, making sure those orienting lines are parallel to any of those north-south lines. And again I just pick the compass up and I'm ready to go. So with the compass set in front of me, rotate my body around until the compass needle and the orienting arrow are both lined up. And then I'm going to look at it along the direction of travel arrow, because that's the direction I want to be travelling in. And it should be pointing in the same direction as my estimate from earlier on. And it is.